Hello everyone, welcome back to another session on Big Data Learning. And in today's session, we're going to learn about different interview questions which are situation based, right? Situation based questions you'll be asked in your interview. So there are a few questions that I have jotted down, so we can just go through them as well before moving towards that as your interview. So this is the fourth video in the interview question series. If you want to know more questions, learn about more questions, you can go through the first three videos of mine as well. Right now, let's move ahead. My name is Abidunisa Begum. I am a technical trainer. I give trainings on Azure, Tableau, AWS, and also I'm a soft skills trainer. That's all about me. Let's move towards the agenda, that is to learn different interview questions. So our first situation is here. So if you have received an email from your company's security team that a couple of memes are exposed to the internet, how should you prevent that public access without interruption of any service? In that case, what do? You need to create an NSG. What's an NSG? It's a network security group, and associate your VMs if there is no NSG already. Now you block the port 80 by 443 and allow only specific ports of Azure, which will fix the issue. Click on the VMs, click on the networking tab, click on the NSG, then create the outbound denial rule for the internet. Right? That's how you do it. I hope this one is clear. Let's move towards the next question. Now that I have spoken about NSG in the previous question, and in all the questions that we did not cover NSG. I've just added a question here so that you understand what NSG actually is. So like I said, it's a network security group in Azure. And it's nothing but its services will help you to allow or deny a specific port to communicate to your services within subscription or outside of the subscription. And NSG has inbound and outbound rules. Inbound rule is that it defines the traffic coming from the internet. Inbound is coming from the internet and outbound is going to the internet. Okay. So both of them, they happen through the network security group, that is NSG. So to create an NSG, you have to follow the following steps. And in all services, you have to search the NSG, provide the name, location, and the research group. Click on NSG, and then you can create the NSG. Right? I hope this one is clear as well. It is also a very important interview question. Once you answer this question, they might ask you how to create it. Right? So try to be more specific when you are answering. We don't want to sound vague, right? So just we must have information on all of these. Now, the next situation, you have a couple of VMs running in Azure environments and you need to enable the availability set. And how do you do that then? Then what do? It's actually not possible to enable the availability set in running system. There is a limitation to it. So if you want to enable it, if you have to enable it, that is, then you need to recreate the VM and add the availability set to that. Right? That's how you have to do it. If you have to do it then. Right? Next question, you have a couple of VMs of 4 core and 16 GB. You need to upgrade those to 8 core and 32 GB RAM. Since they are not, because these 4 core and 16 GB, they're not performing well. So what are the steps that you will take to upgrade these? What you need to do, it's pretty simple. You will go to those particular VMs and perform the following steps. First, take approval from the application owner for downtime, because it will be, automatically rebooting the VM. Next, go to that particular VM or each VM and click on the size. Select the VM instance size of 8 core 32 GB RAM. Once you will select that specific size, it will automatically start upgrading the instance. After that, you need to verify all the settings of the VMs and hand over the application owner if required activity is completed successfully. What's our required activities here? We are going to upgrade 4 core and 16 GB to 8 core and 32 GB. Now, if this is clear, let's move ahead to the next situation. So the situation here is one of our clients escalated that his VM has been rebooted without intimating to him. And you need to know logs, or you need to know who has rebooted the VM and how can you get the details. In that case, what do? Activity logs are going to help you. So if any activity is happening on a VM through a portal, you will get a log alert stored in the activity log. So you will go to the activity logs, find who has rebooted the VM and can share it with the clients after the approval from your manager or however it works in your system, right? So these are some of the situation-based questions that I could note down. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create some interview question based on different roles, right? So these were just general questions till now. Now we're going to have a series of five questions. So each video will have 5 questions based upon different roles. So if it's Azure administrator, that is going to be one video for that, and different things. If it's Azure data engineer, different interview questions on that, right? So from next on, we're going to have role specific interview questions. Thank you very much for being with me throughout this video. And if you have any feedback, if you have any suggestions, do let me know. And do not forget to subscribe so that you are updated with each video, and this will only help you to learn more. Thank you very much. Have a great day.